and God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, Tracy, for that very inspiring message. I'm sure na-touch yung mga fellow students.
Having your diploma at hand is one of the happiest parts of being a graduate. It is like harvesting the fruit of your hard work. Mr. Ernesto G. Agadi, sir.
Students, be reminded that you will be receiving real diplomas. So, handle it with care because there will be no other diploma. So, again, we are not allowed to take pictures during the distribution of diplomas. Maika Angelica Trinidad. Garel Fontanilla. Marinel Lopez. Beverly Joy Sigo. Primrose Sumawa. Rachel Parilla. Emma Valiente.
Gloria Agustin. Christine Joy Granil.